Hi and welcome to BodgedButWorks, a channel about engineering, woodworking and fun technology projects. We started this channel for two reasons. The first one is documentation. I get a lot of questions about how my projects and the sometimes crazy machines work. And I want to give you guys some insights here about the hardware and the software and all the aspects that go into the making of one of my projects. The second reason is to inspire you guys for your own projects. I really hope the techniques I show and the tips I give you in my videos can help you kind of develop some inspiration to make something of your own. And keep in mind, most of the stuff I do for the first time, so you can learn from my mistakes and maybe even give me some tips if I do something which isn't quite optimal. Because I'm still studying, I don't have the largest budget for my projects, and so most of the time you're going to be seeing me buying parts off of eBay and Amazon and other cheap sources. And I try to put the maximum of effort into my projects to still give them a cool functionality and look, despite the fact that they're not super expensive, but on this channel we're going to make it work anyway. Now, why is this channel called BodgedButWorks? Well, that's probably due to the fact that I do incorporate quite some bodge into my projects. What does bodge mean? It means to do something not in the most professional way, but to kind of get it to work for a certain amount of time. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I try to get things to work initially in a short amount of time. And even though they might not be highly professional in that first step, then after that you can take it to the next level and turn the prototype into something really cool with the knowledge you gained during making that prototype. And I think it's very important to just start out with a project, even though at the beginning you don't want to spend that much of money and don't want to put that much time into it. But then you have something in your hands that might kind of work, and you can get some inspiration from that for your next step and then develop it as far as you like. That's why I think botching is so important, and that's why you're gonna see quite some bodge on this channel. Oh yeah, mine. And it's perfect. We are still experimenting with what projects to make and to show you guys, and the style of presentation of our videos. So if you see anything that you are interested in and that you want to see more of, or if, for example, I don't talk enough in one of the videos about the software or the hardware I used and you're interested in getting, for example, software that I make, then please feel free to write it in the comments or to send us a message with a subject that you want to have explained further. And we're going to try to go into that a bit deeper and make videos so that, you can kind of satisfy your interest in the projects. We love having you here on our channel, and to maybe give you a motivation to subscribe and stay up to date, I'd like to talk about two upcoming subjects. One of the coming videos will be about our drink and cocktail mixing machine, Madrid. You can already find a polished presentation video about our machine Madrid on the channel. And in the new video, we will be talking in detail about the building process and the inner workings of the machine over the course of the last 3 years. The next upcoming video will be about a soundboard, a project that I've been working on for the last 3 months or so. And it's about this device. It's a pocket-sized thing that plays sounds to accentuate your normal day. And we will be talking about if you need this and for what you might need this and where you might be able to get one in the future, depending on how this project develops. But of course, there will also be videos about new woodworking projects in the future. We hope you enjoy your stay on the BodgedButWorks YouTube channel, and we really look forward to welcome you on one of our new videos. See you there. Bye.